Today I am introducing you Honeywell pressure transmitter calibration. Honeywell ST700 STG74L. Instrument calibration range 0 to 10 bar. HART protocol. Minimum required one field communicator, RMS multimeter, gauge, reference gauge. Configuration purpose Honeywell MCT404 communicator, 250 ohms resistance, adjustable DC power supply 24 volt, pneumatic comparator, reference gauge connected to output line. We are connecting the transmitter from the output area. Inlet valve, exhaust valve already open, fine adjustment screw pump, transmitter power supply connection area, positive, negative and test line. Positive connected to positive terminal, negative connected to negative terminal. Now transmitter is power on. SmartLine transmitter. Loading the setup. Gauge pressure showing for 0.00. Transmitter output currently showing 4.011 milliamps. In the communicator, Honeywell MCT404. Positive terminal and negative. Communicator positive lead, transmitter positive line area, negative lead connected to negative terminal area. First we are selecting the FTC, field device configuration. Okay, online configurations selected and select tab. Yes. Online device status, process monitoring, device, my device, device status and the method list. First we are select the online menu and select this is the online menu plus this is the online overview menus. First we are doing the display configuration. Okay, select the plus button and the device setup, drag it down, display settings, select it, and the screen configuration, select it, and configuration and execute. Okay, select the enter value of PV selection, that is pressure, fine. Select the unit is bar, select decimal point we will select it to 1 minute. Okay, 2 decimal point, done. Select the tag number, device tag number, select, okay, enter the tag number 21, then okay. Now system showing some error. in the writing protection mode. Open the front cover. Remove the display from the unit. Remove the display. This is security option. This is simulation mode. Okay, first we are remove the jumper from the downside. On. Put it to off condition. Okay, we are enable the simulation mode also. Enable the simulation. Now simulation mode is enabled. Security mode is off condition. Return back connected to the display. Now display is connected. Okay. Then press OK. The about duty error the and again. Okay. Press it OK. We are selected one more time. Device setup. Press and a display setting. Press screen configuration. Execute. Okay. PV selection, that is pressure, already selected. We are selecting the next unit. Pressure unit. Then OK. Decimal point. We are selecting the 2 decimal point. Then OK. Selecting the tile number is corrected. OK. Then OK. Now downloading the screen configuration. Wait for the 30 seconds. Display is showing gauge pressure. Wait for 30 seconds. Display will be changed. Now display is changed. The tag number also showing. The decimal point also changed. Configuration is completed. Then OK. Okay, return. Next we are doing the calibration. Connect the field communicator and power on. Select HART function. Select. Yes. Overview status. Honeywell logo. Device setup. PV meters, PV values, secondary value, meter value, LRV, URV. LRV is showing 10 bar, URV is showing 10 bar, LRV is showing 0 bar. Upper sensor limit is and lower sensor limit. First we are doing the calibration of transmitter 0 to 10 bar. First we are going to the device setup, calibration menu, calibration methods, LRI corrected, URI correct, 0 correct. Okay, first we are selecting for the LRI correct. Select number 6, then press OK. Enter the date 5/5/2025 in the 12 o'clock in the okay. Apply the LRV pressure. LRV pressure now is 0 condition. Press OK. Then automatic control is OK. Next, power on the reference gauge. Select the unit. Unit is bar. Set the 0. Next, we are doing for the span trim, upper range value trim. We are selecting number 5, upper URV corrected. Next, OK. Date, that's OK, fine. OK. 30, OK. Apply the URV pressure. Close the vent valve. Slowly open the inlet valve. Now pressure will be increased. Slowly open. Now pressure almost reach 9.5. We will rotate the final adjustment. Slowly adjust. Now 10 bar is reached. Transmitter display showing 10.10 bar. Transmitter output is showing some error. Okay. Apply already applied. Then OK. Okay. Pressure is stable. Now pressure is stable condition. Reference gauge also showing stable condition. Now press OK. And remove the pressure from the unit. Slowly remove the pressure. Transmitter pressure is showing 0. Reference pressure also showing 0. Output is showing 4.003 mm. Okay, pressure calibration is completed. Next we are doing for the DA trim calibration, digital and analog calibration. Select the calibration methods, DA trim. Then OK. Connect the reference meter. Reference meter already connected. Then press OK. Okay, set the field value is output showing 4 milliamps. That is also fine. Okay, set the field value output value. That is showing 4.004 value. 4.004. Enter. Check the field reference value equal to output value. That is both are same. Then press OK. Next is setting the field value in the 20 milliamps. Then OK. Output is showing 20.002. We are under the 20.002. Then OK. Equal to reference meter, both are same. Then OK. Retain the original output value. Press OK. Oh. Now Honeywell ST700 STG74L calibration is completed.